Hey guys, it's Jason from Carnage Diagnostics. Today I'm going to give you a tip on how to find smoke leaks, whether it's intake smoke leak you're trying to do, a turbocharger ductwork leak, evap leak. When you're trying to use a flashlight, usually you can't see the smoke. Like, you can smell it, but you can't see it. So I use a high-powered laser. This one has a tip that when it's on, it shoots out, it looks like 1,000 lasers. And then when you want it to be a single laser, you just take this off, it's a single laser. But I'm going to show you on this car the difference between using a flashlight and using this laser. So you can't really see anything with the flashlight. But the laser pointer you can see. I don't know how good the camera's getting that. You see what I'm saying with the... You see what I'm saying with the beams? This is with the tip on. Tip off. Alright guys, that was pretty much it for this tech tip. Remember, you want to have the funnel so it helps you figure out which area the smoke's coming from, and then you can take it off and just use the single laser pointer and you'll find your leak. So hopefully that helps you guys save a lot of time. I know I've spent hours with the flashlight trying to find leaks before, and ever since I've used the laser, it's like instant. So like and subscribe to see more videos. I'm going to put a link up for this in the description, and if you purchase through the link, then I'll get a percentage back that will help the channel. So thank you very much. See you guys on the next one.